Ganun ba yan?
Mm.
Ano, ikaw naman mag-roll?
Ako mag-tank,
No,
Ems. Ako
ano
mag-tank.
Anong gusto mo?
Your team is banning.
Mage ka.
Magkukura ko. Tapos,
Core.
si Ed. Core.
Seds, XP.
Oh, sige, okay lang. Kahit ano ako.
Magaling naman si
Ito
Ed.
na, oh. May Minotaur pala eh.
Estes, ay.
Eh, ikaw,
Banyo yung material ka. Estes.
Estes.
Please
Kaya
ban
Angela
a
lang
hero.
tayo.
hindi ako nakapag-ban na naman.
Your team is picking.
Uy, sino?
Minotaur.
Wala naman digi.
Need some stitches?
The
I can
enemy is
help.
picking.
I'm sure, kanya na. O, diba?
My blood boils until the day I die.
If I was just a tree in the forest,
Your team
would
is
things
picking.
have been different?
Mhm.
Big sana, oh. Nagbibig sana ka ba?
James na. Hindi na ako. Ayoko mag-damage.
Hope will find a way,
enemy
even when
is
all is forlorn.
Mag-good night muna ako, ha? Advance.
Kanya-kanya na siya mamaya. Ako din,
Wala na
last
sana.
G, tulog na.
Good night.
Parang gusto nyo na i-surrender agad, ah.
No, ganda
Kailan na
XP.
naman. Sige na, ikaw na pagod.
Ready, go! Dete oide,
Meron
boku
pa
no
rin,
hono.
ah.
Your team is picking.
For
Ano pag
honor!
silong si Dirot, hindi.
Silent na yan.
Ito na lang, hindi yan. XP.
Yan, pwede yan. Kunin mo yung
My
Lilah.
role. No.
The
My
enemy
duty
is picking.
is to make false hope
My
real.
mission is to protect lives.
Ay, yan lang.
Agoy. Ayos.
Hylos. Sila na naman nga. Ganyan yung nun. Ganyan yung nung Lilah kanina.
Dapat pinalipat mo na pala natin yun. Tapos, ng 2
Sila
minutes,
uli.
sila pa ng kalaro natin. O, sila nga. Yan yung logo nila kanina, eh.
Ingat ka dyan kay Dairot. It's malakas sa early yan.
Mga Petri nga. Victor. Sila nga uli. Isip lang. Dapat pala pinaan mo na natin. Kaya mo na, buti nga yan. Baka
What are you
challenge
doing
ba?
here
No?
again?
Challenge.
May,
Errands all
may
done?
protection naman tayo.
Ako,
5
nagamit ko na.
seconds till
Pangatlo
the
na to,
enemy
eh.
reaches the battlefield.
Pangatlo na nga.
Smash them.
Hindi bawas na. Ilan
All
star ko?
troops
18.
deployed.
Tapos bukas, pag-isip, paglaro, puro talo na naman.
Iniisip mo agad talo. Hindi pa nga eh.
Okay lang yun. Dito naman ako nakatira sa inyo.
I'm not alone. I have my doll.
Ano na, no?
First blood.
Lakas mo.
Oo. Malakas yan. Pag mansabayan.
Time for some needlework.
Nagamit na rin naman
Ang
yung
galing pa,
Petri.
ang galing pa ng kuha ng nana. May ikot na blade.
My life, my choice. Stay close.
Sorry, kaya ba?
You have been slain.
Got pricked.
Ang galing ng skin ng nana. Ng mana.
Level
Stay
15 to.
close. Rules? Whatever.
Ano ba ito kanina? Piranhas. Logi ko pala kay Dairot kanina.
Logi nga ako din.
Your turn, Muddles.
Ang killer yan eh. Ganda na.
Take down the turtle. Battle spell in cooldown.
Say, cheese.
Malakas tong nana nila, oh.
Dito.
Pero si Balmon eh. Pero nagtatago lang. Mga Petri. Diyan na si Dairot ah.
They give me my
Ally
keys.
has been
Nahuli
slain.
ako.
Fair deal.
Request backup.
Stay close. Get lost.
Sinong konti buhay dyan?
Enemy killing spree.
Stay close.
You have been slain. Enemy
Oh
double kill.
no. The curse rebounded.
An enemy has been slain. Double
Nice
kill.
edge. Ubus. Yun lang.
I don't trust words.
Eh, bakit
can hurt
hindi
like
ako
weapons.
tinulungan? Ubus na yun.
Huli na ang lahat.
No? Ubus na yun.
Mm.
Bagal maglakad ni Big sana.
Ba't ka sana?
Hindi nakahabol.
Tara tatat. Sayang
Need
eh.
to stitch up their noisy mouths
Request
right
backup.
away.
Wala akong damage dun. Wala. Pasokin ko tong ano.
Dito ang buhay ni Dairot. Dairot, abangan mo si Dairot.
Stay close.
Sige. Gogo.
An ally has been slain.
Ay, hindi pa nakuha yung turtle. Sorry. Inread ko yung dalawa.
Enemy unstoppable.
Gago
Sabay na
na
naman
stun
ako.
ako.
An ally has
Galing
been
nga,
slain.
Stay close.
Ang galing nga naman.
Good girls avoid trouble, while I make it.
Tatapat tayo nung magalit
Retreat
na
from the
malakas.
turtle.
Catch up.
Pero yan.
Stay close.
You have slain an enemy.
Dalawa.
Pero dito, atan.
Dalawa na
The
ako.
enemy has slain. Initiate retreat.
Your turn, Muddles.
Petri ito eh.
Didn't your
Ito.
mother ever tell you?
Tayless.
Never get too
Shit.
close to needles.
Ay,
Huli.
Enemy dominated.
Bilis ng
Ally
highlight ko.
has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Cage lang sa kalam. Tatlo na.
Initiate retreat.
ayan.
Stay close.
Man skinny yun.
How are you? Oh, wait. I just realized. I don't care.
Wala akong SS, yaman.
Initiate retreat.
Sige, o patay ka dyan. Tanga.
Dome tool. Stay close. Get
Killing.
lost.
Hindi umangat.
Kaya nga.
Stay close.
Wala na muli na yan.
An enemy has been slain.
Alis na kayo, alis na kayo. Bang
Just a
yung bot
small
natin.
fight. Like playing house. Stay close.
Bidagbog na yung email natin.
Initiate retreat. You have been slain.
Wow, wala yun mga
Our
si Soy.
turret has been destroyed.
The distance between life and death is shorter than my needle.
Initiate retreat.
Ang galing ng blade ng nana.
An ally has
Ay,
been
gago.
slain.
Ano? Petri.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Palit na tayo, Soy. Akit ka na, Soy.
Business, not my thing.
Oh.
Annoyances. You got me.
Our turret has been
On top natin.
destroyed.
Your turn,
Top,
Muddles.
top,
An
top.
enemy has been slain.
Stay close.
An ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
If regret had a flavor, they'd be the first ones to taste it.
Makaporma.
Retreat from the turtle.
Tulog ka na? Okay. Katukin mo na lang ang buka. Hindi ako mag-ano. Para
The enemy has slain the turtle.
push na natin yung baba.
Stay close. Oops, somebody's got their stuffing pulled out.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh, yun.
Giggles, Muddles, get ready.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Bak na kayo, bak na kayo, bak na.
Stay close. Look at them, wandering like pathetic abandoned
Isa
dolls.
mo, soy. Bago. Tara, kumain kita. Nine.
Ult is not ready.
Uy, buti isa.
Good girls avoid trouble, while I make it.
An ally has been slain. Enemy rampage.
Mga nakaabang eh.
Enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Double kill.
The curse rebounded.
Bak na.
Initiate retreat. Enemy unstoppable.
Gabo.
I'm not alone. I have my doll.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Turtle. Ay, Lord na.
Nine.
Stay close. Your turn, Muddles. My
You
life,
have
my
slain an
choice.
enemy.
Magaling yung
Ano yung Layla? Ano yung Layla?
Wala.
Umikot.
Need to get lost.
An ally has slain Lord. Mega kill.
Stay close.
Shut down.
Magaling siya.
Stay close. Say
Ito kasi
it's
sa'yo
the
pinupuri.
cheese.
Magaling mag-stun.
Stay close.
Mas magaling siya. Laging nakakahuli.
Siyempre, kailangan yan. Kailangan hulihin yung mga maloloko.
Stay close.
Launch attack.
Meet kayo ako dito.
The distance between life and death is
Yeah,
shorter
it
than
is.
my needle. Your turn, Muddles.
So,
Catch up. Stay close.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Stay close.
Sige, pasukan mo na Ed.
Saan ako nakapatay?
gago naka-SS siya.
Stay
Hindi
close.
ka namakay. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Shut down. An ally has been slain.
Stay close.
Sorry guys, so.
Rules? Whatever.
Hindi ma-push yung mid ah.
Yun, may nakabantay.
Your turn, Muddles. If only she
Hmm,
could be
diba?
with me now.
You have been slain. An enemy
Nakapatay na rin ako sa
has
wagas.
been slain.
Uwi.
Kasi Barman.
Hinabol si Kimi.
Request backup.
Kaya mo. Dead ko na.
An enemy has been slain.
If regret had a flavor, they'd be the first ones to taste it.
Ito lang, alam ko na hero na fighter. Alpha.
Stay close.
Your
Wala ako
team
dito.
destroyed a turret.
Kunin mo lang lagi yung malambot.
Stay close.
Hindi ako kanitan.
Wait lang.
Stay close.
Kaya na.
Ayan, makinag yan eh.
I don't trust words. They can hurt like weapons.
Nasa top yung Layla.
Susulo sana, no?
Our turret is under
Ang
attack.
bilisan ko kay
Ito.
Kuya Paludot. Ang
Dairat.
Initiate retreat.
Ano? Sulo ka dyan?
An ally has been slain.
Stay close.
Kala ko makasunod kayo dun.
Catch up. Stay close.
Kulang ako
Ano? Win
pang
chan.
You have been slain. An ally has been
Nakawin
slain.
chan.
Sayang.
An enemy has been slain.
Buhayin, Jeff. Lord ka na. Lord ka na. Samahan mo mag-Lord.
Buhay sila na? Tatlo?
Taas na na.
Ah. Sa kanila na yan.
Lord ba sila? Hindi naman, no?
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Yun na, sila lang. Layo kasi niya.
How are
Sultan ko
you?
ngayon.
Oh, wait. I just realized. I don't care.
Igutan mo, Eds.
Stay close.
Kawin chan na yun eh. Okay na, kaya ko na yan.
Stay close. Giggles. Muddles. Get ready.
Dito siya.
Stay close. Look at them. Wandering like the Greta's
Enemy has
abandoned
slain
doll.
You have slain an
Mm.
enemy.
Your turn, Muddles.
An ally has been
Pangkul
slain.
ko yan.
Enemy double kill. Launch attack.
Ito yung Layla.
Spree. Shut down. Initiate retreat.
Ayan. Pinatay.
Initiate retreat.
Nakuha na lang yung Lord.
Ako ah.
Malinaw pa ba yan?
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Time for some needlework.
Ally has been
Ako
slain.
ako agad. Tinamaan ako ng ulti niya.
An enemy
Somebody
has
got
been
their
slain.
something
Ally
pulled
has
out.
been slain.
Mm.
Our turret is
Wala na
under
sana yun.
attack.
Nakabang yung Layla eh.
Our
Stay
turret has been
Good
destroyed.
game.
Good game mo mukha mo.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Didn't your mother ever tell
Wala.
you? Never get too close to needles. Stay close.
Baka wala naman. Tama mo na kayo.
They
Kaya na.
give me my fees, I fulfill their needs. Fair deal. Stay close.
Ano ba yan?
My needle is more than a doll sewing tool.
Ganda
Ganda
na
lang.
sila ano. Sinana.
Business,
Ah, okay na.
not my thing.
Ay,
Annoyances.
nag-flicker.
You got me.
Kaya na yun.
Stay close.
Initiate retreat. An ally has been slain.
Sana si Layla.
Stay close.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Enemy double
Ikaw,
our turret has been destroyed.
Stay close.
Agoy, agoy, agoy.
Nag-flicker, pusto.
Your turn, Muddles. Stay close.
Inaanak kasi. Cancel din na.
Oh,
Ally
diba?
has
Huli
been
mo.
slain.
Good game.
Eh, sabing natulog mo.
Our base is under
GG na ulit.
GG ulit.
Okay.
Hello guys, good night guys. Next time na, huwag natin sundan.
Goodbye.
Defeat.